Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below, and press notification bell all para updated po kayo sa lahat ng aking video. For today's vlog guys, babahagi ko po sa inyo ang aking mga recipe. Ayan. Let's wait guys. Heto ang ating mga ingredients guys. Ayan, sa mga recipe for today's. Ito ang ating chicken. Ang ating kailan. Ayan, ang abalone soup. Ito rin ang sotong o squid, dry squid. Ayan. Ang ating fish. And of course, di mawawala ang ating soup. Ayan. Umpisahan na natin. Ito na ang ating chicken rendang recipe. Ayan. Ayan. Let's cook guys. Ayan ang ating chicken rendang. Ayan. Add natin ang coconut milk or coconut liquid, ang ating gata. Ayan, mekos-mekos. Ayan, then wait lang natin ang ating coconut mag-boil, and that's it guys, the outcome. Ayan, so yummy rendang chicken. And the second is ang ating mala vegetable. Let's cut na muna ang ating mga gulay. Ayan, may cabbage, carrots, white radish, mushroom, ayan, bitter gourd, and eggplant, and there is some broccoli. Ayan, ilalaga ko na muna yan guys, then just fry. Ayan, may long bean pa. Long beans. And with lady's finger. Ang ating okra. Ayan. And also we got the green cucumber. Ayan. Ayan. Nakat na ang ating mga gulay guys. And let's fry it. Fry na natin guys. Ayan guys, ipa-fry ko siya ng mala. Kasi sinasabi nilang mala. Sili yan guys. Lagay ko lang yung na-browns ko na gulay and just fry lang, and that's it guys. The recipe again. Ayan. We have also a sweet potato leaves. Ayan. Talbos ng kamote. Ayan, ginisa ko din yan sa chili guys, sa sambal chili. Ayan. Ulam ng bisita yan guys. It's not our ulam. Ulam ng ating bisita, and that's it. That's bruhaw. Ayan, isa-isa lang natin until maluto guys, and that's it. Another recipe again for sweet potato leaves. Yummy guys, so yummy. Pero dapat ganyan kumain kapag luto na kagad. You don't wait until become brown color. And this it is guys, ayan ang ating steamed fish. Ayan, ang sibas steamed fish. Ayan. So yummy. Ayan. So yummy. And ito rin ang ating last ayan, ang ating dumpling. Ayan, balutin muna natin ang ating dumpling fork. Ayan guys. Ayan, pag magbalot kayo nyan guys, lagyan ng tubig ang gilid para magsarado siya. Basahin lang. And that's it guys. Ayan, tama na yan. And let's steam guys. Thank you so much again guys for watching my simple video, and hope to see you again on my next episode. God bless everyone guys. Thank you for all the support guys.